Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Our President Shri Vijai is a proud son of the soil. Whether he's a villain or not is for the people of Goa to decide, and not some fly-by-night operator or weekend tourists like Sushmita Dev, who after 7 days of experience in Goa, and she thinks she's an expert in Goan politics. It is beneath our President Shri Vijay Sardesai to respond to these wayward comments. Wayward comments, by the way, is made by a political reject she herself has betrayed the Congress party without doing a single day's groundwork among the people. What has she done for the people of Goa? Shri Pramod Sawant, who has done so many scams everywhere and anywhere, and who is mainly responsible for the oxygen deaths of so many Goinkars, why isn't he made a villain?
आज काँग्रेस सोडपाक कारण काँग्रेस पार्टीन आमकां सायडलायन केले. Actually, we were fighting against the BJP party, and we wanted to fight against the BJP party. We want to eliminate the BJP party, and we have given in our Konkani constituency. आम्ही कोंकणीचो भाव आमचो कोंकणीचो गांवचो पूत आमकां तांकां टिकेट दिल्ली जाय आसली काँग्रेस पार्टीक. आमकां काँग्रेस पार्टीन भायलो कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो भायलो कॅन्डिडेट हाडून दिलो. एल्विस गोम्साक प्रमोट करताले काँग्रेस पार्टीक, डॉक्टर जर्सनाक प्रमोट करताले काँग्रेस पार्टीक. कित्याक ते ग्रासरूट आमचे काँग्रेस सन ऑफ द सॉयल ताका जाय आसले, भायलो आमकां मनीस नाका जालो.